This video walks you through how to create a bill in Xero. Begin by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top menu and click Purchases. From the options under Purchases, select Bills. This opens the Bills area where you can create and manage supplier bills. To start a new one, click New Bill. A blank bill form will open, ready for you to fill in the supplier and invoice details. In the From field, select the supplier if it is already in your contacts list, or enter the supplier name if you are adding it as part of this bill. Make sure the supplier matches the invoice you are working from before you continue. Next, enter the date shown on the supplier invoice. Then enter the due date, which is the payment deadline for that bill. Add the reference number from the invoice as well. This helps keep the bill connected to the original supplier document and makes it easier to identify later when you review your records. After that, confirm the currency shown on the bill. If the supplier invoice is in a different currency, make sure the selected currency matches what was issued. Then choose whether the amounts are tax inclusive or tax exclusive. This setting affects how the line totals and tax are calculated, so it is worth checking before you enter the rest of the bill details. Now move to the line item section of the bill. For each item or service listed on the supplier invoice, enter the available details into the matching fields. Add an item if you want to use one, although that field is optional. Enter a description that matches what was billed. Then fill in the quantity and the unit price. Select the correct account for the expense and choose the appropriate tax rate for that line. If the invoice includes more than one product or service, repeat the process for each line so the bill reflects the supplier invoice accurately. If you need more space for additional entries, click Add a new line. This creates another row for the next product or service. Continue entering each line item until all charges from the supplier invoice are included on the bill. Once all lines are entered, review the subtotal, tax, and total amount shown on the bill. Compare these values with the supplier invoice and confirm that everything matches. It is a good moment to scan the supplier name, invoice dates, reference, tax setting, and account selections one more time before finalizing. When you are ready, click Approve to finalize the bill. If you are not ready to complete it yet, click Save instead to keep it as a draft and return to it later. Your bill has now been created in Xero and is ready to be tracked and paid.